This video tutorial I will cover offset method of clock class. Here I have defined the class clock demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created clock object. Here I am printing instant of clock object. Here I have created duration object. Duration is 6 hours. Here I am calling offset method of clock class, passing base clock and duration to be add. What this method will do is it will add 6 hours duration to base clock and returns clock object. Here you can see the output. Here hour is 09. Before duration is added, hour was 03.